Hey, what's going on, guys? Nanny here for another awesome video. Today we are at the beach. I have Aiden, Logan, and Axel. Michael's at Grandma's, and I decided to take them to the beach and have a great day. So, hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please leave a like, subscribe to the video if you're new. This video is going to be pretty short, so hopefully you guys just like it because we decided to go out and have some fun. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace. So this is where we're at in our hometown. This is the beach, and got two kids playing right here, and this is the whole beach and Lake Michigan. And then all of a sudden we got this guy. Oh, what? It's only half of him.
One part stuck in the ground.
You're stuck in the ground. How are you gonna get out of there? Try to get out. Try to escape. Oh wow, you escaped way faster than I thought you would have. Go rinse off. I buried him with my shovel. I dug it until it hit water. I dug until it hit water and buried him halfway. But he got out real quick. We got some food and some lunches here, but that big ship out there, I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's a dredger. You're all wet? Oh well, it's okay. We're at the beach, bud. That out there is a dredger, and that's dredging. Oh, that right there. It's dredging so the boat can come in and out the car ferry. Then we got the lighthouse out there, and that's the walk path. We go to the lighthouse. A lot of seagulls out here on the beach, if you guys can see that.
Dad, can I go in the water?
Got a lot of people out here, not as many as usual, but there's a bunch. But that way over there is like towards the state park. Got a building over there to go to the bathroom, and we got a building over there to go to the bathroom, but that's kind of far.
Dad, you should have brought pails to put the water in and got more in that.
Yeah, we should have got some pails, huh? Maybe next time.
Oh, I have an idea.
Oh, there's another big hole right there. Why don't we dig that one?
Sure.
Okay. Are you sure you can do that by yourself?
No.
You shouldn't throw the dirt over your head like that, because it could fall off the shovel and get you all dirty.
Dad,
Are you enjoying the water?
hold it in it.
Oh goodness. Yeah, let's not get soaked.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't get all wet. We don't have to get super soaked.
Dad, did you bring any?
You're already
to
super
put the
soaked, aren't you?
water in?
Yeah, he's dripping. He's soaked. He's got a diaper on too, so that's gonna get blown up. That's a piece of driftwood we unburied. Yeah, look at you.
Oh,
What? You guys want to go? I hear a loud crashing noise over there. A pine needle.
it was
Awesome.
in the water.
Logan's getting soaked. Hey, dude, you gotta be careful. Is it cold? Let me see how cold it is. Oh my God, it's freaking freezing.
Dad, can I have something to eat, like the chips and the...
Yeah, we got chips and sandwiches over there. Well, why don't we go for a walk and then we'll eat, okay?
Okay.
Let's go for a walk. Axel's over there chasing the seagulls. Come on, guys, let's go this way. Come on. Let's walk this way. Axel! Man, look at somebody else's castles. This is why we should bring a bucket. Because when we bring a bucket, we can build something like that. That looks cool. Look at that driftwood right there. That looks awesome. This is what our hole is going to look like. Aiden, look at this hole. Yeah, you found a bottle and now you're getting yourself all wet with it. Pour it in there.
Mama?
Hey, look at this hole. This one's got water in it.
Can we put more water in it?
I don't know. That's what he's trying to do.
And there's foot marks on that one.
Yeah. Hey, why don't we go for a walk this way? Come on, guys. Come on. He got his new sandal shoes so he can walk through the water and everything in the sand. Come on, bud. Yeah, I see. We want to go for a walk. Come on. You tripped yourself. Why'd you do that?
I don't know. I was running and then I hit something.
Oh, you gotta be careful. Hey, let's go for a walk, Logan. Come on. So, I mean, this might be a short video, but hey, at least we're having a good time. Hopefully you guys enjoy this beautiful Lake Michigan view that we get every day. Unfortunately, some of you out there probably don't get something so nice as this, so I like to show you guys. Might be a little windy too. I'm trying to block the wind, but I don't know how good I'm doing until I edit this. Come on, guys, let's go. Your leg hurts?
Yeah.
Huh. You're only 3. How does your leg hurt? Did you hurt it?
Yeah.
All right. We parked our car right over there. There's a bunch of other kids over here, so I don't really want to film, like, straight film other people, so I'm probably going to put it down when I get close to other people, but... Alright, hang on. Want to go in the water? Woo!
Go.
It's cold. Keep walking. Woo! Hey, keep walking. So what a beautiful day out here today. Absolutely amazing. It's actually a little chilly. It's not too bad. It's probably about, I don't know, it's in the 60s, 70s probably. The wind chill makes it feel a little bit colder than what it is, and I know the water's freezing cold. Come on, bud.
Dad,
I don't know.
The treasure over there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
But anyways, there's like a little tree up here. I want to show you guys this. Look at all the seagulls over here, guys. Look at them all. Uh-oh, I'm getting a phone call. Let me answer it real quick. Keep digging it! Keep digging it! Sorry about that, guys. I had to answer my phone. You're digging it in the water so fast. The water's flowing in. You want the label off?
Yeah.
Gotta pull hard, see? Here, I'll blow it up. I'll blow it up for you. You don't do this because you know the virus going around. But I'm gonna do it with my hand over it like this.
Okay.
There you go. See how I did that?
Yeah.
Put the wrapper in my pocket, and that way I don't litter. These parts usually right here are really soft. Look at that. It's like quicksand. This is the tree I wanted to show you guys. Somebody's looks more like a root. Yeah, it's definitely not a legit tree. Somebody put it there, but it looks cool. Absolutely awesome out here. After rescuing my kid because he was all the way down here. That's alright. Come on, we gotta keep getting over by brothers. Now don't run off there, kid. So yeah, I mean this is basically all there is to show you guys. Just the beautiful lake. But like I said, this video is going to be short. We're going to go ahead and head back. And then we're going to get some lunch. And see how that goes. Come on, guys. And we will catch back up to you guys a little bit while we're eating probably. And then I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. But our chair is way down there past here. I'll show you. Got to zoom in real far. See my little lonely chair over there with the orange thing? Yeah. So we got a little bit of a walk, but we'll make it, and we'll catch up with you guys when we get back there. Peace. So the water is absolutely freezing. You're all wet. Come on, let's go have some lunch. Let's go eat. Man, kids got me to walk in the water. Now my legs are numb. So yeah, if I drop my phone, it's not waterproof, so you guys won't see this video. If you do, and you're watching it right now, that means I didn't drop my phone. Or I did, and I put it in rice real quick. But, you know, I'm like 2 miles from home, so it'll be soaked by then. Come on, bud, let's go. Hey, look, we made it to our chair. We're going to sit down and have some lunch, and we'll catch back with you in a couple minutes. So we are just finishing up lunch now, and finishing up our sandwiches and our chips. It's such a beautiful day. Bright blue sky, nice beautiful sunlight.
Dad.
Oh, yuck. You gotta go rinse your hands off. Go rinse them off in the water.
I had a water in it.
The bottle has water in it. That's what you use it for. Okay. Here.
Dad, my hands are greasy.
Uh-oh, I didn't get it enough. Go rinse them off in the water.
My hands are greasy.
Your hands are greasy, huh? From what? The popcorn?
No, not
Are you saying that you have to go rinse them off?
No, I mean, my hands got greasy from the sandwich.
Oh, are you going to be okay? All right. Go rinse them off. Are you done with that? He says, yeah. You going to take a bite?
Yeah.
What? What? You don't want it? Want me to throw it in the hole? Put it in the hole. Or put it on the bag. I just wanted to make a video out here for you guys to enjoy and to see the beautiful lake. I was going to stay till sunset, but I heard it's going to sunset at 9 o'clock and we got to leave at 7. So, yeah, definitely can't stay that long. Hey, I'll tell you a hint. Don't lick your fingers on the beach. You know why? Because the sand will get in your mouth. Okay? Did you get sand in your mouth? Oh, okay. Oh, good job. Oh, you scooped up some dirt there too. That's wonderful. Here, hold out your hand.
Just the seasoning that was on the popcorn.
Oh no, we got the little sandwich all wet. Oh well. Anyways, we're going to let you guys go.
Hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new.
Like the video.
See you later.
Dude, we attract a lot of seagulls. It's about 3 days after the video you just watched, and the seagull right there has a fishing lure hanging off its mouth. He's trying to get it off, and I'll hold still so maybe you guys can see it dangling. He's got a fishing lure, see that? I can't get close enough to him and I'm zoomed in all the way, but he's got it hanging right off his face. He's trying to undo it. Poor bird. Figured I'd film it real quick and add it to the end of my video. That's the first time I've ever seen a seagull with a fishing lure on its face. Look at that. Full-size fishing lure hanging off its mouth. Yeah, he's alright. See, he flies away with it hanging in his face, but yeah, that's pretty sad. Sometimes you just can't save every wildlife, but make sure you guys pick up your lures and your line. That way stuff like that don't happen to wildlife where you guys live. Peace.